Welcome back to Cars Wars Pack. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hyundai Grand Starex H-Van. If you're in the market for a family van or a versatile vehicle for business, stick around as we explore its features, performance, and overall value. Let's get started. The 2025 Hyundai Grand Starex H-Van boasts a fresh, modern design with sleek lines and a commanding front grille. With its updated LED headlights and stylish alloy wheels, it definitely stands out on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted with a spacious cabin that comfortably seats up to 11 passengers. The high-quality materials and ergonomic design make long journeys a breeze. Plus, you'll find ample storage compartments for all your essentials. The infotainment system is intuitive, featuring a large touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So whether you're navigating through the city or enjoying your favorite tunes, everything is just a tap away. Under the hood, the Grand Starex H-Van is powered by a robust 2.5-liter Cordi engine, delivering impressive torque for both city driving and highway cruising. Coupled with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, it offers a pleasant driving experience. It's not just about power. The Grand Starex is also designed for fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for families and businesses alike. Safety is paramount, and the 2025 Grand Starex comes equipped with advanced safety features including multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, features like parking sensors and stability control provide peace of mind on the road. So, how much will this beauty set you back? The 2025 Hyundai Grand Starex H-Van starts at approximately PKR 6 million, depending on the variant. It's available at Hyundai dealerships nationwide, and considering its features and space, it's a competitive option in its class. In summary, the 2025 Hyundai Grand Starex H-Van is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable and spacious van. Its blend of style, comfort, and performance makes it a standout in the market. Would you consider this for your next family trip or business venture? Thanks for watching Cars Wars Pack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive content. Let us know your thoughts on the Grand Starex in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe.